how to add a payment method on Shein. So if you would like to add a payment method on Shein, it is very simple for you to do so. All you have to do is launch the Shein app and make sure that you sign into your account. After that, from the bottom right, just tap on the Me icon. Once you've done that, from the top right hand side, tap on the gear icon, which is the settings icon. Now when you tap on settings, again at the top you can find the option called My Payment Options. So tap on My Payment Options. So you can see the option called Add Credit or Debit Card. So just tap on the plus button that says Add Credit or Debit Card. Now here you simply want to enter your card number. They accept Visa, MasterCard, Maestro, American Express, Discover or Diners Club card, as you can see. So enter your card number, the expiration date and the year, the CVV code, which will be 3 to 4 digits, then tap the confirm button. If your payment method is valid, it will be successfully added as a payment method. That's all it takes for you to add your payment method on Shein. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.